I don't know about you guys, but there are certain daily carry bags I find myself going back to, and they end up just being kind of that, I guess, home in a bag, if that makes sense. The bag I'm going to show you guys today is that bag for me. I've been planning on doing this video for so long, and I'm so excited that I finally am doing it. The bag I'm talking about is by Timbuk2. This is the Women Never Check bag. It is a 13-liter daily carry bag. Empty, it is just around 2 pounds. YKK zippers, of course. This is in the Colorway Marine. This is the original colorway. It may look black, deceptively so, but this is actually a deep purple. It's a funky colorway. I don't know what the designers at Timbuk2 were thinking when they created this bag, but let me just show you what I'm talking about. I'm not sure if the camera catches it, but this is a deep purple, or maybe far away it's better, I'm not sure. But there are gray leather accents at the bottom. There is a Timbuk2 just leather strap. On the back of the bag, there are leather straps attached to the shoulder straps. At the top, you have a leather simple carry handle. On 2 of the 3 zipper pulls, you have rose gold leather accents. In 2 years of use, I've considered just cutting them off. That's still on the table, if I'm honest. There are 3 different types of zippers. The front pocket, which I guess you would call the quick access pocket, it's water sealed. The main compartment is a normal outward facing YKK zipper, and the laptop pocket is, I forgot the name, but it's reversed. It's an inside out zipper, essentially. The teeth of the zipper are inward and it's gusseted on the back, which I've always thought, why not make all of the zippered pockets water sealed? But again, I have no idea what the designers of this bag were actually thinking when they designed this. So to go inside the front pocket, there are 2 mesh pockets that are open. They start about here and go down to just about right here. Inside this pocket, I generally keep my Kanken wallet, my Topo, what's this? The micro accessory pouch, an extra mask because COVID's real, my gloves because it snowed like 12 inches in New Jersey so far, and hand sanitizer because, once again, COVID's real. Back before COVID was a thing, I would use this bag in 2 different ways. The first way was a everyday carry bag. If I wasn't going to the gym after work, I would be able to pack the stuff I needed plus lunch in this bag without gym clothes. The other way was on the weekends. If I was taking my mirrorless camera with me, I was able to keep my small camera cube in here. Since I've actually hacked and got a smaller camera pouch that I'll show you, it's in here. Before we start, I will flip this bag inside out. It's become a thing that I do when I have bags that are malleable enough. First up, my iPad Pro. This is the 11-inch. My 18-ounce, I believe 18-ounce, Yeti water bottle. This bad boy is the Topo Design mini pack. This is actually a fanny pack. I never used it as a fanny pack. So what I did was I actually cut off the straps, the side straps, and the bottom straps. So to go through this pouch very quickly, I have my Fuji X-mount filter lens inside, my Fuji X-T20, extra battery, extra SD card, and last but not least, the Mikey manual lens. This lens is 28 millimeters. And then on the outside pockets, I just have a lens cleaner and a microfiber cloth to clean the lenses with. Here we go. The bag has now been flipped inside out. Before I show you guys the rest of the bag, I will explain one thing. And I learned it from an old Chase Reeves video. He brought a fan on, or a viewer on, and he had that guy go through his messenger bag. Oddly enough, it was a Timbuk2 bag. And as the guy was going through and explaining his bag, he showed Chase modifications he made to the bag. You're never gonna find a bag that fits you exactly. You can only come close to finding a bag that has just everything you need. It's just right. It's close to perfect, but not perfect. With that being said, I've made modifications to this bag, and the only way you guys would actually be able to see them is if I flip the bag inside out. The first modification, you'd notice, I added a side pocket to the interior of the bag, and that pocket I actually use to hold my Anchor battery packs. Right now I have my 100 milliamp hour Anchor with a, what is this? A Apple lightning cable to USB Type-C. I also use this pocket to hold my 200 milliamp hour Anchor battery pack. Really early on, I needed a designated place to keep my battery packs because it made it easier to charge my phone. I didn't want them in the pouches that were already provided in the bag. So I don't even remember what I used, but whatever I used, it had like, I added a zipper and I added a pouch. Can I pull it out? Yeah. I added a pouch and I got a zipper and I made my own little pocket on the side of the bag. Originally, this bag only came with 2 internal pockets. The first one being a notebook sleeve, or I use it as a tablet sleeve. This pocket is actually meant to keep over-the-ear headphones, because the original idea of this bag is a never check. It's supposed to be your airport buddy. But just having this huge kind of bucket pocket that does have a bit of stretchy dimension still wasn't enough for, you know, carrying earbuds or chapstick or things I didn't want to keep in the front pocket, because I noticed very quickly that the front pocket, you can end up putting a whole bunch of shit in that front pocket. I just needed something else. I needed a semi-quick access pocket that I could put all those little bits and bobs into, and I did that. I took the idea I had for this side pocket, and listen, I used whatever materials I could find without actually having to buy materials. And in here I keep gum, my sunglasses, my earbuds, and chapstick. Not very deep, but it does the job that I need it to. And when I don't need this stuff, I just zip it up and close it. I have a little Tom bin pouch that has tea, and I think there's some like beef jerky in here, but any bulky item you add to this pocket will eat into the actual capacity of this bag, and just, this bag isn't the width of my hand. So you don't want to keep a super bulky pair of headphones in this pocket when you only have half a hand width's amount of space. Let's go and put this bag right side out. I never use this pass through because, as you guys know, I use a travel bag when I travel, but it's magnetized, so I guess it works. As for the laptop sleeve, I rarely carry my iPad in this back sleeve. I actually do prefer to keep it inside the bag. I don't carry my 13-inch MacBook in the laptop sleeve either. The one item I generally keep back here is a reusable shopping bag. I've found that after 2.5, 3 years of use, this is the bag I keep going back to, and out of all my bags, the most modified. And I have to say that because I've modified the bag, that's probably why I keep going back to it. I've made it my own. I've found ways to make it perfect for me when I need it. The actual construction of the bag, it's solid. The pros definitely outweigh the cons. I corrected some of the cons in this bag just by adding the 2 pouches. I would suggest, if you have a daily carry bag that you love, but you feel like it's missing 1 or 2 things, if you can add them, or if you can take it to a shoemaker or a seamstress or to whomever and just add a pocket or 2, do it, because it will change the way you carry the bag. It might not seem like it, but it 100% does. I think what's actually stopped me from buying the black version of this bag are the pockets I've added to it. So, like always, if you guys liked this video, give me a big thumbs up. And if you want to follow me to see when I post new videos, click subscribe somewhere, probably here or here. But like always, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.